Hi everyone! So in today's video I'm gonna do a tutorial on this makeup look, and it's inspired by Yvie from season 11 of RuPaul's Drag Race, her reunion look where she had on a face mask, and I thought that idea was really cool, so I wanted to recreate that and do my own little twist on it. So if you want to know how I did this makeup, continue watching. So first off, I'm going to do my brows to start off the look, and then I'm going to be doing my base around the eye, but I'm just going to go in with the eyebrow pencil. Also, I dyed my hair. Or not me, but my hair is now a different color. I'm also going to carve them out, just to give them more of the shape that I want. I don't know what these brushes are called, like these type of brushes, but I'm just taking this and blending the concealer out. Now that I've done both the brows, I'm going to take a full coverage foundation and cover like this much around my eye, because I'm just gonna cover this with face paint, so it doesn't make sense that I do my entire base. So I'm just gonna do around my eyes instead of everywhere. I'm gonna use the same eyebrow pencil, just map out where I want the hole, no, not holes, but where I don't want the face paint to be, if that makes any sense. So now I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow, and I look absolutely insane. I'm gonna use these shades to do the eyes, and I'm just gonna start off with that shade right there. Nope. That one, the third one. Now I'm taking this shade right here, and I'm gonna darken up the crease. I'm going in with another palette, and I'm taking a much cooler brown. It's more on the purple side, and I'm focusing this on the outer corner and the inner corners, so it gets like an effect of the middle of the eye is like popping out. Not popping out, that's absurd, but it's getting a highlight. The silver shimmer, and I'm using this one, and I'm putting that both on my eyelid and here. So this is just a very simple eyeshadow look, since I'm gonna have green all over my face. I'm gonna do an eyeliner without the wing, so I'm just taking a liquid liner and lining just my lash line. And I'm not doing it the entire way out because I'm gonna smoke it out. So I'm taking a black eyeshadow and just smoking it out. And I'm also gonna put eyeliner on my waterline. I'm just gonna pop on some lashes and do the other eye, and then I'll be back. The eyes are now done. And now that I'm thinking of it, I used to go to school with this makeup, and 13-year-old me went to school like this. Now I'm gonna do the face mask. I don't know what order I'm gonna do this in, because I don't have a green face paint, I have a blue and a yellow. So I'm gonna start with the blue face paint, and then I'm gonna try to make it green. I've just gone back and forth between this sponge and a brush to get an opaque blue. And I've kept it kind of sharp around the edges and not blended since it's supposed to be a face mask. And by the way, I used just a blue face paint, and now I'm taking a tiny yellow one. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make this as green as possible, and then I'll be back because it's gonna take probably like 30 minutes. So I'll be back. So now that the face mask is done, I'm gonna take a dark green eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use the dark green from NYX's Ultimate Brights palette, and I'm just taking that around like my eyes to give it depth. So the only thing left now is lips, and for this look I'm going to do a red lip. So I'm just lining my lips first. And I'm using a lipstick. So this is the final look, and I think it turned out quite good actually. Not to toot my own horn or anything, but I feel like a housewife. So this is my housewife yvie reunion take. Hope you liked the video, and if you liked it, like it, and comment something fun, or yeah. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I hope you liked the video. I'll see you in the next video, hopefully.